Let's face it, we all complain about the damn snow, but deep down we admit that gunning a snow thrower is stone cold awesome. Unlike some of its top competitors, we're liking the Greenworks 26032 because it's green. Saves money while protecting the environment. How? Zero carbon footprint in the yard, unlike its bulky gas-powered cousins. That means the electric motor puts out no carbon emissions. Greenworks makes environmentally responsible lawn and yard tools. No fumes, no fuss. No cords to pull, no cans to fill. Gas-powered anything causes pollution and is just plain lame clumsy. It's powered by an earth-friendly 12-amp, which clears a 20-inch path while being able to dig a depth of 10 inches. It loves dense snow. The final tally? It eats up to 850 pounds of snow per minute. Bring it on. This snow baby sports 6-inch rubber wheels, easy to maneuver, with a 20-foot discharge distance. And just look at it. Your neighbors will be melting their own snow with a simmering, burning jealousy. It comes with a 4-year warranty and is almost as quiet as a snowfall. A breakdown of reviews at Amazon.com. As of this video, there are 467 total reviews. 233 reviewers gave it 5 stars. 130 reviewers gave it 4 stars. 40 reviewers gave it 3 stars. 23 reviewers gave it 2 stars. And 41 reviewers gave it 1 star. A summary of reviews. When you come across a product that has received 4 or 5 stars from 78% of reviewers, you can feel pretty confident that this product not only does what it advertises, but it does it well. Overall conclusion: don't wait until the next super blizzard. Be prepared. Get it home before the media gets all hyper about the forecast. Read our in-depth review. Click the link below in the description to read our complete in-depth review. Visit modernhome.us for more reviews and interviews to take your home and garden to the next level. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks very much for watching.